So there's a common misconception that every single lead that you get in your business is going to have and hold the same type of weight, and it's going to have the same type of close rate. And what I mean by that is digital marketing leads, whether they come through search engine optimization, Facebook ads, Google ads, all of those different things, are going to hold a different weight, and you're going to have to take a different type of approach than a word of mouth or a referral from Susie down the street that already knows you, and when she refers somebody to you, you're going to close that probably 99% of the time. I talk with business owners all the time that are like, Adam, I just need a couple more leads a month and I close at an 80% clip, which I don't necessarily believe that to be true to begin with, but in their mind, they think that they do because they're thinking about all of the referrals, all of the brand building leads that come in. The leads that you're currently getting, if you're not capitalizing on digital marketing or your digital marketing strategies aren't working, are going to be different than if somebody goes to Google, has no idea who you are, and they type in your particular service offering with the words near me or location, or they talk about a problem and they type that into Google. They have no idea who you are. There's probably no brand relationship. They have no idea. They've probably never seen you before. Not to say that that is 100% accurate, but most of the time, right? They're going to probably get multiple quotes or bids for the job. And if you don't answer right away, or if you don't make it easy for somebody to do business with you, they're going to go down that list of Google. So even if your ad is at the top, or your Google business listing is number one, or your website is number one, if you don't meet them where they're at and give them what they need, they're going to go to the next person because there's no loyalty. Now, if somebody refers you or refers somebody that they know to you, there is some sort of loyalty and at least trust built in that they're going to give you probably the benefit of the doubt if you don't answer the phone right away, or if you don't follow up exactly in the way that you said you were going to do. They're probably still going to give you a chance, and there's going to be a higher likelihood that you're actually going to win that job. So people all of the time when I talk to them will tell me what their closing percentage is and assume that with digital marketing leads, they're going to close at that exact same clip. The difference is you're probably not. You need to have a very, very bulletproof and tight follow-up system and automated system in place when you get a lead that comes in through your website, whether it's a phone call, whether it's a contact form, I don't really care. But stop thinking that a digital marketing lead, somebody that has no idea who the heck you are, but they're going to Google, they're normally high intent, right? They're typing in something, they're ready to go. They might have an emergency service. They might just be like, I need somebody out here right now. Maybe they're not getting multiple bids, but if you don't give them what they want and meet them where they are at, they're going to call the next 2 or 3 companies down the line if you don't, satisfy them, right? Whereas if somebody refers you, they're likely to wait around and make sure they at least get a bid from you before making a decision. So take very, very serious caution when understanding the difference between the type of lead that comes from digital marketing and the type of lead that comes from word of mouth and referrals. These leads are usually slam dunks. They're great. They're awesome. Not going to say that you obviously don't want to get more of those. Of course you do. It's just usually not scalable. So I'm talking with a lot of business owners right now, new business owners that have been in business for 10, 15, 20 years that are like, Adam, I need something scalable. I want to grow my sales team, or I want to start my sales team, and I need more leads. That's awesome. We can definitely help with that process, but you need to make sure that you're treating those leads not necessarily differently, but you have to understand the importance of those leads because you are going to be paying for them, whether in ad spend or SEO or anything like that. If you have any questions, comments, any sort of feedback, would love to see that here in the comments. Thank you very much for watching today's video. If you have questions about digital marketing, if there's anything that I can do to assist you, feel free to reach out to me at AdamMcChesney.com. Follow me on social media. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and we'll see you next time.